Hey Rachel, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting this custom video. So today we're going to go over a few things that you guys can apply right away to start earning more visibility with your website and getting more of those organic leads. So as you can see, we are on your website. Okay. Looks like you have a nice website. Okay. Reviews are always good. Okay. Looks like you have a separate page for your various services. So that's exactly what you need. All right. I didn't see a whole lot of actual content on your homepage. Google does not rank your website based on appearance. They rank it based on content. And so content is key when it comes to ranking. The more content you have, the better. Google likes to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage that are focused on your buyer intent local keywords. Those are going to be the keywords that people are actively searching for the services that you offer and in the service areas that you offer them in. So it's really important to work on your content and to focus that content around those good keywords. Google has little robots that go out on the internet and they index every single one of these pages that you have, pulling the content and looking for those keywords so that they can rank you for the keywords and get you in front of your customers. Being in restoration, you guys are an emergency service, so it's even more critical for you guys that you can be easily found and that your customers can easily contact you. So your website optimization is really, really key for you guys. And if you have multiple different service areas and not just in Minneapolis, then you're going to need to have additional pages for those service areas. Service areas that you service that have any type of search volume should have their own pages so that you can be found in those areas as well. One of your top competitors for water restoration in Minneapolis is Rapid Restoration. They have a decent site as well. Um, you can see they're going after those buyer intent keywords that are location based. Okay, so they got a little bit more content going on. In order to beat these guys, you're going to need more content. Content is key, so you need more content and make sure that your service pages have additional content and that you're really focusing on those keywords. You always need to have more than your top competitors. This is a program called Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see, your website has a 4.2 out of 100, which is pretty low. And that means that Google doesn't have much trust in your website. And that's 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. You have 179 backlinks. So you're going to need a lot more backlinks. And you're going to need to make sure they are higher in quality, do follow, and are related to your industry because not all backlinks are created equal. So it is really important that you're going after those high authority backlinks. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors for each of your services and each of your service areas. You're currently being indexed for 208 keywords. and you're only seeing on average 74 people to your website per month. When we look at your competitor, they only have a rating of a 6 with over 1,200 backlinks. This just proves that not all backlinks are created equal because of how low this score is. Um, this means that this company has a lot of backlinks that are either no follows or unrelated or even spammy. So you're going to need more backlinks, but not just in volume, but in better quality. Um, Sorry about that. So this company has several more pages, and so they are actually being indexed for over 2,400 keywords and are seeing 1,700 people to their website every month. So, working on your content and your pages as well as your backlinks is going to be what you're going to have to do to outrank these guys and beat them. Now, your website is critical because 70% of your organic leads are going to come directly from your website. So it is important that it is correctly optimized. Backlinks are when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is to your services and your industry, the more authority it gives you, and the higher it's going to push you in the rankings. And it is important that they are do follows rather than no follows, because do follows actually share the power of those higher ranking sites and help you to rank a little bit faster. And then last, we need to make sure that these backlinks are being tied to your keywords so that you can rank for those keywords and be found for those services and in those service areas. And the last thing I want to talk to you about is this Google Map Pack or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for each of your service areas and all of your relative keywords, because 30% of people come directly to this area, to the maps, and they don't go any further. So if you're not in this top 3, then you are handing all those leads to your competitors. In order to get in the top 3 and maintain this position, um, there's several factors, but the biggest one is something called citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a variety of places like Yellow Pages, Dex, Yelp, Facebook, etc. So you need a lot more of those than your top competitor in each of your service areas. And when you follow all of these tips I've provided you today, your website can become #1 across Google in your service area for those keywords. So you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided, which is completely okay, and apply it yourself because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you decide you do want help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.